वुमेन्स डे के खास मौके पर अंधेरी स्थित लोखंडवाला में स्किन सागा डर्मेटोलॉजी सेंटर की ओपनिंग की गई, जहां हर तरह के स्किन और हेयर ट्रीटमेंट की जाएगी। इस खास मौके पर इस सेंटर का उद्घाटन करने पहुंची भारतीय फीचर फिल्म, टेलीविजन और थिएटर अभिनेत्री आहाना कुमरा। आहाना कुमरा ने बताया कि स्किन सागा के स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर मधुलिका और डॉक्टर असीम क्यों है उनके इतने खास।
My name is Ahana Kumra and I'm an actor. I'm from Lucknow originally, but I've studied with Madhulika in school. But I moved to Bombay in school when I was in 7th standard. And Madhulika has been a school friend and a very close friend since I was 12. So we've literally grown up together. We've seen each other's journeys, and I'm so glad. I'm very happy and very proud of what Madhulika has achieved over all these years in her professional and her personal life. I think both Aseem and Madhulika complete each other. They are very good partners. They are very good spouses, and and they are, and I think they're both very good doctors. I am somebody who literally calls Madhulika as an SOS. Like if there is, and during shoots, because I'm an actor and I shoot in various locations, and there are lots of things that go wrong and kaput with our skin and hair, and there are lots of SOS situations as actors that we all face in our day-to-day lives. So I think the one person who always comes into my mind whenever anything goes wrong is Madhu. And literally Madhu and Aseem have been like solid rock pillars during my entire journey of being an actor, of being a person, of being a human being, I think, more than anything else. I've had dengue where I've had to suffer massive hair loss, and that happened during, in between a shoot, and then I had to run into another shoot, and then I had to literally be like in 3 different countries. And I remember like constantly consulting with Madhu over a phone call when I was in London, doing this crazy call, and she really calmed me down. And when I came to Bombay, I continued my treatment with her, and my hair was restored, and thankfully, thanks to her and Aseem, like a lot of like my eyes, my skin, my hair has been in place. And I think like I've been waiting for them to launch their own clinic for the longest time. So I'm glad that they both have finally embarked on this journey and started their own clinic, because I think we need good dermats. Madhulika and Aseem are both fantastic doctors, fantastic dermats, and I would trust them completely with my skin and hair. And so should you. Just come here and trust me, be rest assured, you'll be absolutely fine and looking beautiful.
वहीं वुमेन्स डे के खास मौके पर अपने जिंदगी से जुड़े, फ्रीडम करियर से जुड़े कुछ खास बातें भी सामने रखी।
A very happy Women's Day to all. Us being women, we have often been told that you can't do this or you can't do that, and you should not follow this path, and you should get married, and you should do this. There's so many shoulds and can'ts that we hear all our lives, that you should do it is something that that is a rarity that we hear. And I'm glad that at least I feel that we're privileged. We come from a society of privilege where our parents always tell us, you do what you want, follow your path, follow your career. When I started my career as an actor, I was told by my father, don't do it, the film industry is not good. We don't know what sort of people will you meet there, there are all sorts of people. But then I told him one thing. I said, there's nothing that you should worry about because of the way I've been brought up. I've kept my values intact, and I think I will stand my ground. I'll work very hard on my craft, and I'll be hired for the work I do. And then I think I'm a living example of, sheer hard work and just, values and my systems in place that I have reached where I have. And I'm sure a lot of y'all are struggling in your day-to-day lives. A lot of women do not come from privilege. They don't come from spaces where education is available to them, or professions are easily, that you can pursue them. But don't let anybody say that you can't do this. You should, and you should always believe that I can, because that's the only belief you should follow. So happy Women's Day to all. Do what you want, and trust me, if you just work hard on your craft and be set in your value system, there's nothing in the world that you can't achieve. So happy Women's Day to all.
वुमेन्स डे के मौके पर डॉक्टर मधुलिका और डॉक्टर असीम ने इस क्लिनिक के बारे में क्या कुछ कहा, ये जानते हैं।
I'm Dr. Aseem Sharma. I'm a consultant dermatologist. I'm a triple postgraduate in the field of dermatology, and I've done a separate fellowship in the field of hair disorders in trichology from Mumbai itself. I'm ex-Air Force. I served the Indian Air Force for 8 years before I did my post-graduation in dermatology. And now here I am with my wife, Dr. Madhulika Mhatre, and Skin Saga is our baby.
Please tell us about Skin Saga.
So, Skin Saga was a venture which we started 2 years ago. It was conceptualized when the both of us got trained internationally. We decided to open a center which was state of the art, where we could provide all possible aesthetic treatments and functional treatments under one single roof. So, we initially planned to open two different branches, but we decided that we would probably do best if we get everything under one single roof. So, here at Skin Saga, you can definitely trust us with our skin. Each skin type, each skin is absolutely different. It tells a very different story. We are here to curate and customize treatments according to your skin type and your hair type, and bring everything under one roof right to you. Both of us are internationally acclaimed board certified dermatologists, and we are here to provide you the best in terms of skincare and hair care.
Can you tell us what sets you apart?
So, as you know, for bungalows or even this area as such, there are a plethora of dermatologists and skin clinics around. But what sets us apart is we both spent a decade each in government service and corporate hospitals and getting trained the world over. So, we firmly believe in not touching the skin unless we're fully trained to do so in any procedure. So, all the procedures that we do, all the consultations that we do, every single medication that we prescribe to you will or does come after years and years of hard work and experience, and gaining professional experience in various centers, not only in India but across the world. So the end result is, when you come to us as a patient, we will customize treatments as per your particular skin type, your particular skin condition, and other parameters. So you will definitely get good results from us. And the best thing about us, apart from all this, is that we are very honest and upfront. We will tell you if you need a treatment or if you don't need a treatment. So I think that is what sets us apart from the other clinics which are.
Hi everybody, I am Dr. Madhulika Mhatre. I am a board certified MD dermatologist, having done my post graduation from Pune with a gold medal. I have also been trained in vitiligo surgery, and that is leukoderma or white patches on the skin. And I take immense pleasure in treating people affected with this condition, because this problem has been stigmatized quite a lot in our society, and it brings me joy to bring some kind of a relief to such individuals. So recently we have started with our new center here at Andheri called Skin Saga Center for Dermatology. This is going to be a one-stop destination for any skin issues, hair issues, as well as your aesthetic and laser concerns. Me and my husband, Dr. Aseem Sharma, are the two dermatologists who will be present at this clinic, and we are both trained exclusively and extremely skilled in all the procedures that would help get your skin or hair in better shape. Now, Skin Saga again offers genuine and honest approach for all your issues, and I would request you to trust your skin in our hands and begin your skin journey, the story of your skin, with us. Thank you. First of all, a very happy Women's Day to every bright, young, old woman out there. Actually, I don't believe in the concept of Women's Day, because I think it should be celebrated 365 days a year. So all you beautiful people out there, young women out there, old women out there, you are a reason that has to be celebrated all year long. My message for you today is going to be a simple thing: believe in yourself. What most of us as women lack is that self-confidence that can help us, reach for the stars, reach for the moon. But it is our own thoughts and our own inhibitions which pull us down and prevent us from achieving what our true potential is. So today, please make a pledge, make a vow that you will believe, you will have faith in yourself and try and fulfill your dreams. Thank you. So even though our country has progressed on all fronts, be it economical, financial, or otherwise, the one thing that it lacks is guaranteeing safety for women. Now, this has been an issue not just in the recent past, but has been a problem through years ago. Of late, because of media, because of digitization of everything, this issue has come out to the forefront now. And I think it is high time that we as individuals, as citizens of this wonderful country, take a stand and do our little bit on ensuring women's safety in our homes, on the roads outside, in public transportation, everywhere. It's not alone a woman's a woman's problem anymore. It is a problem of the entire humankind. So be it a man, be it a woman, I think everybody should rise and stand up for this issue and make sure that it is tackled in the best way possible. Thank you so much.
Namaste, hello everybody. Wishing everyone a very happy Women's Day. I know हमें ये बोला जाता है कि हमें ऐसे चलना चाहिए, ऐसे बैठना चाहिए. But I would like to tell you that be yourself, be courageous, and set an example for others to follow, and most importantly, lift other women up. एक औरत ही एक औरत का दर्द समझ सकती है, एक औरत ही एक औरत को ऊपर उठा सकती है. So don't be the kinds to pull each other down, and always be the power beneath the other woman's wing. Thank you.
So इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे आ रहा है और सबको मेरी तरफ से बहुत बधाइयाँ. वुमेंस डे किस लिए सेलिब्रेट करते हैं कि हम एक दूसरे को एम्पावर कर सकें. आप अपने लाइफ में एक चीज़ ज़रूर कीजिए. अपनी नौकरानी, आपके घर पे कोई है या आपके आजू बाजू में कोई है, बस एक बार किसी को एम्पावर कीजिए. एम्पावर मतलब किसी को अपने डिसीजन खुद लेने की ताकत दीजिए. तो इस इंटरनेशनल डे पे, वुमेंस इंटरनेशनल डे पे मेरी तरफ से रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज़ आप ये कीजिए. और आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, ना सिर्फ इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे 8 मार्च के लिए, बट पूरी ज़िंदगी के लिए, पूरे साल के लिए. सो एन्जॉय एंड हैव अ लवली डे. अपने अपने घर पे बैठ के खुद को बहुत सिक्योर समझते हैं और बहुत सारे इंटीरियर पार्ट्स हैं इंडिया के जहाँ हम नहीं जा पाते, और वहाँ पे जितने सारे हम केसेस सुनते हैं. मैं खुद एक लॉयर हूँ, तो मैंने देखा है वुमेंस के साथ कितना अत्याचार होता है. वो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस जैसी घर की चीज़ हो या बड़ी चीज़ हो जैसे रेप है एंड ऑल, ये बहुत कॉमन होता जा रहा है. और हम सबको इसमें एक स्टैंड लेना है कि ये चीज़ मैं तो घर से शुरू करूँगी. बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ों में तो हम शायद ना भी पहुँच पाए, पर जो घर के हैं, जो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस जैसे छोटी छोटी इशू जो हस्बैंड वाइफ में होते हैं, जहाँ पे ट्रबल किया जाता है वाइफ को, ये जो छोटी चीज़ें उसको भी इग्नोर मत कीजिए, अपना स्टैंड लीजिए. एंड ये बहुत कॉमन है. अगर आप अपने घर पे नहीं, किसी और के घर पे भी देखते हैं तो उनको भी समझाइए कि उनको ये सहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको भी किसी भी तरह की स्किन या फिर हेयर प्रॉब्लम है तो आप भी स्किन सागा जरूर विजिट करें, जो कि अंधेरी के लोखंडवाला में स्थित है.